Okay, now I'm going to show you the Palomar knot. This is the most common knot that I use next to the improved clinch knot. For demonstration purposes, I'm using lime green braid, 80 pound, because it's thicker, and it's braid. Easy to see, easy to work with. We're going to bend it over maybe 8-9 inches, pinch the end as if you were going through a little eye of a hook or a lure, push it through, take that loop end, pull back the doubled end, and make a quick slip knot. Loop it over, pull it through. Very simple. All this is a glorified slip knot. Now you've got your loop here, as you can see. Just pull it down, not tight, hold it. Take this expanded loop, this is very simple, and bring it over your hook or lure all the way back to the top of the eye. Now, you take your line from your reel and pull. And as you pull, this expanded loop gets smaller and smaller and smaller. Tighten up the tag end, pull it, cinch it down, and you have the simplest knot that I've ever seen, the Palomar knot.